Load your family into the 2017 Chevrolet Equinox. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and power windows. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.